Okay, hello guys. So now I'm going to show you how to find the center of your file. Okay, so now let's go together and at first go to views. Okay, and then you select ruler. Okay, and we drag the ruler from the top right, and it will automatically find the center. Yes, and we drag the ruler from the left also right. Okay. And then we select a rectangular mark tool here, and then we draw. Okay, draw from the top here, right? Okay, this is one colors, and after that we duplicate these layers. Okay, duplicate these layers. Okay, and we change the color. Okay, select here, and we change the color. But then we move to the right. Okay, and we duplicate this layer again, and we change the color also, change to the other colors. Okay, and select move to, and we move to below, and we duplicate again these layers. After that we change the color. Okay, change to another color, right? Okay, so now I change to this colors. Okay, and select move to, and we drag to the left. Okay, and now we can find the center of the file here in here, right? Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want to see more video, please don't forget subscribe, like and share my video also, right? Okay, thank you. Bye bye.